During step number 4, FmPro Migrator transfers data from FileMaker into the access table created in step number 3. To complete this task, you should have created the table in the Access database during step number 3. The FileMaker database must be open and ODBC sharing must be enabled. If you are transferring Unicode data, then create an ODBC DSN for the Access database and hold down the Shift key when clicking the step number 4 button. On the right, you see the migration process window. Having completed my prerequisites, I click on the step number 4 Transfer Data button, and the data is transferred. If I get an error when transferring the data into the Access database, there is an alternate data transfer method available. So I've created an ODBC DSN for the Access database instead of using the File DSN. Double-clicking on the table shows the Table Details window, and I can see the name of the DSN should be ACS DSN. Looking at the 32-bit ODBC administrator, you can see that I've already created this DSN and I have selected the Access 2013.accdb file. I drop and recreate the table holding down the Shift key with the step number 3 button. If I hold the Shift key when clicking on the step number 4 button, the alternate data transfer method built into FmPro Migrator will be used. A command prompt window will briefly open and show the progress of the data transfer. This technique solves some data transfer errors which are not solved in any other way. This technique also improves Unicode compatibility when transferring data to destination databases connected via ODBC. If you get numeric or date conversion errors during the data transfer process, you can click on the Convert Numeric, Convert Date Time to Text buttons. Then, double-click on the name of the table to bring up the Table Details window. Click on the Lock Changes button. Hold down the Shift key to drop and recreate the table. Opening the Table Creation Details window shows that all the date numeric fields have been created as varchar fields. Clicking the step number 4 button transfers the data. Step number 4 processing is now complete for this table.